Question number 19 is the same, 2.1 multiplied by 3.6. You can see how we did it as simple multiplication. And here we go. The answer is 7.56. Now question number 2.31 multiplied by 0.34, vertical multiplication. Um, this is how we are doing it. One is carried forward, and check the second step. So far we have not put any decimal over here. It's simple multiplication, and you can see this. Now what we need to do is we have to count the number of decimal places. You can see we are going to count 1, 2, then again 3, 4. So we have to count 4 places from the right to the left to put the decimal. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and over here we are going to put the decimal. Let's do it. So here comes the decimal, and it's 0.7854. Question number 21, 0.36 times 1000. Um, Write it like this. 3 zeros will write as it is, and then we'll multiply 1 by 0.36. In fact, only by 36, because we are not considering, while working, we are not considering the decimal. And after that, after writing the answer, now we'll count the number of decimal places, and in the answer we'll put the decimal after the same number of decimal places. And over here now you can see the answer is 360. Next question, 0.34 times 100,000. Again, the same way of multiplication. We'll count the number of decimal places, put the decimal after 2 places from the right. 34,000 is the answer.